Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're trying to log into your TP-Link router or change your network settings but don't know the LAN IP address, this video will help you find it quickly. I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can access your router without any confusion. Let's get started. Default TP-Link router LAN IP addresses. Your router's IP address, also called the default gateway, is what you type into a browser to reach the admin panel, where you can manage Wi-Fi settings, run firmware updates, and configure port forwarding. Most TP-Link routers use 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 as their default IP. Deco Mesh systems use 192.168.68.1. This guide covers how to find your TP-Link router IP address on every major operating system, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and Chrome OS. Find your router's IP address on Windows. Using Windows settings, Windows 10 and 11 open settings and go to Network and Internet. Click your active network connection, then scroll down to view the connection properties. Your router's IP address is listed as IPv4 DNS server or default gateway. Using Control Panel. Open Control Panel and set the view to category in the top right corner. Click View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. Click your active network connection. Click Details in the status window. Find your router's IP address on Mac. Click the Apple menu and go to System Preferences, then Network. Click your active network connection, then click Advanced at the bottom right. Select the TCP/IP tab. Your router's IP address is listed as router. Find your router's IP address on Linux. Click the settings icon in the taskbar. Click Connection Information. Your router's IP address appears as default router. Find your router's IP address on iOS. Go to Settings and tap WLAN. Tap your connected Wi-Fi network. Your router's IP address appears as router. Find your router's IP address on Android. Go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi or WLAN. Tap the Details icon next to your connected network. Your router's IP address appears as gateway. Find your router's IP address on Chrome OS. Click the notification area on the right side of the taskbar. Click Connected to, then select your active network connection. Click Network. Your router's IP address appears as gateway. If you're unable to find your TP-Link router LAN IP address or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.